Okay, here's our modified drawings. Our range is back. It is not as far to the right as it originally was. These cabinets are equal, so I would suggest keeping the range here so they stay equal. Microwave, this has stayed the same. Wide drawer stack here. Tray divider, a smaller upper if we're going to keep this fridge leg. And this is something I don't have the definition or the measurements of. I think there was a second triangular shaped wall here, which I really recommend getting rid of at a minimum, possibly leaving this one. But we will clarify all that. I still think it'd look better getting rid of this, but I understand you guys not wanting to create a bunch of extra work. So as it stands, your range is, the center of the range is 146 and 5/16 from the left. We add cabinets on the back of the island. These are 24 deep and these are 12. So your cabinet case is 36 and the length of it is 9 feet, 108. From that wall, we have 39 inches from wall to the cabinet, not the countertop. And then over here, we have about 44 and 5/8, if I have this wall in here correctly, at 28 inches deep. And it could possibly be set where the overhang of the island was in line with this wall. That's the trash rollout apron sink. Our dishwasher on the left now. And this sink is centered in the island. Okay, let me know what you think.